just at this point here, it could be nice to have some sustained bass that just follows the chords. Now, our chord progression, you might recall, was D flat to B flat and then to F. Okay, so D flat to B flat minor and F minor. So we're actually going to target those root notes. So what I'm going to do first of all is decide I'm just going to try any old bass sound. One that I did like the sound of when I heard before was this boom sub bass, which I'm going to drag in onto a new MIDI track. And I'm going to have it come in at bar 9. So I'm going to just make sure my grid is 1 bar, and I'm going to make it a 4 bar MIDI clip here that I insert. So insert a MIDI clip after highlighting 4 bars. Did that work? Yes, you see there's the 4th bar there. We're going to add that D flat, B flat and F to go for a whole bar each. So put it into 1 bar grid, and let's see what a D flat or C sharp sounds like there. That sounds too high to me for a bass. So what's our shortcut? Shift down arrow. That sounds good. What would a C sharp 1 sound like? Oh, pretty fat. But I'm going to limit it now for the C sharp 2, and then move down to the B flat or A sharp, and then it drops to the F, and that goes for 2 bars. And I stretch that so it repeated. Without it, it sounds like this. Sounds cool, but pretty thin. What if we bring it in now? Okay, so that's what I wanted to show you in this video, but in the next video, I'm actually going to show you how to put an offbeat, a different bass sound that's sort of like boom, 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 offbeat, which it does in the original. So leave it there for now, but I hope you'll join me on the more advanced video next.